This week we're going to be talking all about seeds, what they are and how they turn into plants. First of all, what is a seed? A seed is like a little package containing a baby plant and what that baby plant needs to survive. Most plants reproduce with seeds, although there are a few, like ferns, who do not. Most seeds have three parts: the embryo, which is the super tiny baby plant, a supply of food or nutrients for the embryo, and a seed coat, which is like a strong shell that protects the baby plant from being damaged. So how does a plant go from a seed like this to a seedling and eventually a fully grown plant? It can be quite a journey. A seed's journey starts with an adult plant. Some plants produce many tiny seeds, like this petunia flower. Its seeds are as small as the period at the end of a sentence. Some plants produce very large seeds, like the pit inside of this avocado. Once the plant has made the seed, it needs to make sure that the seed moves or disperses away. Why? Well, if the new plant started to grow right underneath its parent, it wouldn't have room to get its own sunlight or water. So the seed must disperse, go on a journey, and find a new spot to grow. Seeds disperse in all kinds of ways. Some seeds have parts that catch in the wind and blow away. If you've ever blown on a dandelion or thrown a maple samara into the air, you've seen a seed that disperses by wind. Some seeds move by water, like the seed floating off inside of a coconut. Some seeds move by the parent plant bursting and throwing their seeds as far as they can. Some move by sticking themselves onto animals who give them a ride. Maybe you've experienced a seed taking a ride on your pant leg before. Humans looked at these sticky seeds up close and copied the seed's idea to make our own sticky surface. We call it Velcro. Finally, some disperse by living inside a delicious fruit. Animals eat the tasty fruit, walk away, and by the time the seed has made its way through their digestive system, it's taken quite a hike. Humans realized a long time ago that seeds who make themselves delicious for animals also offer us delicious food. Just think of all the fruits we eat that contain seeds. Here are just a few of them. Humans also eat the seeds of some plants, like the sunflower or the pumpkin, beans, and nuts. Although we do have to take off that seed coat in order to get to the soft food inside. Once the seed has dispersed and found its new home, it waits until it has the right conditions to grow. Some seeds can wait a very long time. In 2005, a group of scientists from Israel took these 2,000-year-old date seeds and successfully grew them into plants. When the seed has just the right conditions, which include water, warmth, and in some plants a little bit of light, they can begin to germinate. The seed will take in water until its seed coat splits open and the oxygen can get to the baby plant. The plant uses that special package of nutrients as food, and the baby plant grows and grows. It will begin to form roots, which will grow downward to access water, and leaves, which grow upward to access sunlight. Now the baby plant isn't such a baby anymore, and hopefully someday soon it will make its own seeds to continue the cycle of plant life. And now it's time for this week's Eco Challenge. Your challenge this week is to find a seed and plant it. You can look for one outside on a plant, you can find one in a food that you eat, or you can buy them at the store. However you get your seeds, try starting them in a warm, sunny windowsill. Keep the soil moist and make sure your container has holes on the bottom for drainage. Keep a close eye on the soil and wait for the magic to happen. That's all for this week, folks. Bye-bye.